Well, good evening, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of the Albino Rhino Beer Review. Today you have the Rhino, and we're looking at a beer. Today's beer is right here. It is from Tatamagouche in Tatamagouche, Nova Scotia. It is their North Shore Lagered Ale, 4.7% alcohol by volume, so we're looking at a Kolsch. It is the only beer made with pure Tatama goodness. Water, malt, hops, and yeast. Contains barley, product of Canada. Enjoy fresh. I've had about 8 friends tap this in, and it's looking like it is sitting at like a 3.54 out of 5 from my friends, and a 3.57 out of 5 from everybody in general. I mean, it's a Kolsch. What are you expecting out of it? Kind of where I would expect it to be, you know, just a solid drinking beer. And it's all I'm hoping for out of it is just a solid drinking beer. And crystal clear so far. See my hand on that side. You see my hand on that side. Bright white head. Lots of snap, crackle, pop. It is fading rather quickly. Beautiful yellow color. Let's get her in the glass. Sniff it from the can while the glass is sitting there looking all pretty. Okay, a little tiny touch of sulfuric notes on there, like almost like a Euro lager. Grainy, grassy, earthy, kind of what you'd expect out of a Kolsch. I mean, we're sort of looking along the lines of a Pilsner-esque style here. I love the look of it though. That is a good-looking beer. Out of the glass, it smells the exact same as the can. So it smells the part. I mean, it really does. 4.7% ABV again. Let's try her, shall we? Cheerio, good sirs and madams. The first time I had a box of beer come from Tatamagouche, they sent me a neck gator. A Tatamagouche neck gator, and I really enjoyed it. And I think I lost it along the ways because I had it when we were on one of our vacations from Pavernatuk. It was the first year that Alicia's parents didn't have a house, and we stayed at her uncle and aunt's house when we came down to visit. And I ended up having to get stuck in Montreal with COVID. It was that time. And yeah, I loved that neck gator, and I've lost it since then. Light carbonation, light mouthfeel, mellow flavors. You're looking at kind of like the smell, a little bit of a sulfuric taste, kind of like a hard water, a mineral-y water. A little bit of earthiness, a little bit of cut grass, a little bit of sweet graininess. All in all, it's kind of what you would expect out of a, out of a Kolsch. Ooh. It reminds me of when I had the original. Here we go. This is the inside joke for those of you that remember it. The original Lagered. And I don't have a problem with it. I mean, I loved Lagered. I really did. And I love this. I think this has a little more of a European feel to it because of the little bit of a harder water than what Van Cleek Hill has. But all in all, solid, easy drinking, can get behind it. I can't say anything bad about it. I would give that a 7.75 out of 10. Quite an enjoyable beer. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.